In this video, we show how to set up and use the new data list custom fields in AuctionWorx 3.6. Let's take a look at this new custom field type. Go to Admin Control Panel, Events, Event Custom Fields, then create Event Field. Choose Multi-Column List from the Type dropdown and enter a name for the field. This custom field will now appear under the Additional Details section on both the Create and Edit Event pages. Sellers will be able to add multiple values. The field function like a tag box. Type something, press a comma, and it turns into a chip. Each chip has an X to remove it. As you can see, the primary aspects, a type of multi-column list, are displayed as a list on the Event Details page. Thank you for watching.